basement renovation. It's an old house project. Got master metalworks, put my wrought iron railings put together. Today's just a test fit. It's going to be noisy when I get up close, but I thought y'all like to see how we do it. These are period-specific wrought iron rails, custom bent and welded. Once the test fit is done, it can be taken back to the shop, powder coated, white, brought back up and installed, and this will look the way it was when it was built back in the 1800s. Thank you for watching. If we can help you out with your historical renovations, please give us a call, 478-501-0102.